Since I already have the necklaces, couple of them, so I just put it up here as a hairpiece and it looks kind of cute. Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is Stitch Fix for the year 2021 and January. So I'm so excited that my new year is starting with this box. Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. Stitch Fix is a subscription box and you would be having a styling fee of $20, which would be credited towards your purchase, and the remaining items that you don't like, you would be getting a prepaid labeled bag, so you could just send that back to them. And let's see, the first beauty that I got is this one. This is how it looks. This is the kind of t-shirt that I got. So it has got this hoodie and the drawstrings, and it has got the details, long sleeves, and here is the pocket, good for this particular season. So this is what we are looking at. The color of it is more like a grapevine kind of color, so I don't own anything like this in this particular color, so that's a good start. Let's see, the next beauty that I have is this one. So this is a jogger pant that I received, and this is in the color gray. And the first one, let's see the brand on this one. This is from the brand Market and Splurs. Alright, and this one is the Free People dark gray, and this is in the medium, and this one retails for $48, and the one that's Market and Splurs, that one retails for $32. Alrighty, let's see the beauty that I have received next. Wow, this is really good for this particular season. And here we are, right now we're having like minus temperatures. The other day we had like minus something. Anything minus, I don't consider it anymore. So it has got the front zipper, and this is in the color black, and from the Eden Society, and this one is price is $82. Wow, but I'm not sure if this is good for my winter, because we have like minus temperatures, so maybe like this might be working during the spring, but not for the winter. So that is that. The next beauty that I have is this one. This is the green kind of, and it has got that florally print, and this is the dress, and this is from Killinge, something like that. And this is Betty knit dress, and this is in the color dark green, medium size, and this one retails for $58. So that is that. And don't worry, I'm going to try all of these. And the last beauty that I have is this one. Okay, this is also from Market and Splurs. Okay, so this one is $32, and this is in the color gray. The other one, this one is the dark purple, and this one is $40. I think I was a little confused because both of these are from Market and Splurs, so these are the ones. So this one is color gray, and this is the necklace, retails for $32, and this one is dark purple, and this one retails for $40. Now I'm going to try all of these. Since I already have the necklaces, couple of them, so I just put it up here as a hairpiece, and it looks kind of cute. I really like it for some reason. See, this is how it looks. So it has got like the gold chain in here, and this one has got like the gray beads with teeny tiny like the gold beads. So this looks really cute, like a hairpiece. I really love it, and I'm going to try this on this dark green Betty knit dress, and I'll be back. So this is how it looks. So I really like how it looks. The color of it is good, and it's little like snitched at the waist. The sleeves looks good. It's like flowy kind of sleeves, but it's just that little long for me. So I could just fold it just like one time, and it's still going to look good. So this is how it looks, with this one folded and this one like it's little longer, but this looks good. I love this one so much. This is like so perfect. It's like the right length, right below my knee, and the color is good, and it's like really pretty. I don't know what's in this dress, but I like it. It's the sleeves and the color and the waist, and it looks really cute with this hair piece. And I'm going to try the next thing that I got, and the price on this one is, let's see, the knit dress is $58, and this one is the Eden Society hood cargo jacket, and this is in the colors black and size small, and this one cost is $82. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to try this on. Though the material is kind of not that thick for this winter, it's kind of heavy for some reason. I don't know why it's heavy, but it's a little heavy. So this is how it looks from the back and from the front. Where are the pockets? Okay, so here are the pockets. So this is how it looks. And this one is Market and Splurge dark purple, and this is the cardigan that I got, sorry, the hoodie, and this one retails for $40. So this is how it looks. Here are the sleeves, and it's kind of right fitting as well, so I'm not mad at this one either. So I really like this one too, and I'm going to try on the jogger that I got. So this is the jogger, and here is the jogger, and let's see, it's kind of right fitting as well, but I prefer it a little looser, if just like at least the loungewear or the jogger pant. I think it's medium size. Usually the medium size would work. Maybe this is not like a little tighter for a medium size. I would prefer it a little bit, tad bit looser. This is a little tight for me. I like this one, and also the green dress is like, I love it so much. Alright, and this jogger pant is $48, and this one is the $40. This is a keeper, and maybe not this one, and this is a keeper as well, and maybe not this one, and this headpiece. You guys, this is so cute and so like adorable. I don't want to give it back to them, but this one price is $32. I'm not sure if I want to keep it, but this is so cute. I love it. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you do, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.